Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you the details of the new GEELY CITYRAY. So this is the new model, slots between the smaller Cool Ray and the bigger Star Ray. We are here at the local premiere and I'm gonna show you the details of the car, and of course stay tuned for more detailed review once I get it for a proper test. Now here on the front you can see the beautiful design. Now you can see the pronounced grille. Look at the attention to details here, and then the lights, these are flickering of course just on the camera, so they are connected here, and definitely an eye-catching design, easily recognizable on the road. Very sporty look indeed. Here is the side profile. So as you can see, lovely design lines, pronounced C-pillar, and the large wheels. Let me show you them from close. So here we have the middle trim and 235/45 R19. That's the dimension of the tires. The wheel arches giving it robust styling. And let me show you how it looks from the rear. So now I will lock it and then unlock it. So take a look at those unique taillights and the 4 exhaust pipes. So these are the real exhaust pipes, as you can see. And then I was told that the top of the line trim, so the GF Plus Sport, would have 4 of them in the middle. So looking forward to see that as well. Lighting signature, gorgeous and easily recognizable on the road. You can also see then the roof spoiler with the black details here. And let's open this electric tailgate. And here is the trunk space. So you can pull this cover and put it to various positions. Also the dual floor. You can see also the spare tire as well. And then always convenient to have these on the sides for example, smaller elements, so that they don't go all around the place. Press this to close the electric tailgate. You can also see the rear view camera here. And then let me show you the car from this angle. How cool does this look? Definitely an eye catcher on the road. Now let's see the cabin. I want to hear your thoughts on the exterior design. Now here you can see the 10.25-inch digital cockpit and the main touchscreen. As you can see, the big screen, lovely animation upon entering the car. And here you see also the seats with this pronounced stitching. This is an interesting one. So here is how you open the door. So it says open here. Let me just focus. There we go. So that's the way to do it. And then the door pocket that is divided into 2 sections. Now without further ado, let's jump inside, close the door, and I will actually turn on the car. Start engine button is here. There we go. So you have the 4-spoke steering wheel with the physical buttons and the digital cockpit in front of the driver. Here is your main touchscreen. And you can change the settings for the car in here. A lot of options. Also we have the beautiful ambient lights. Of course you will be able to see more during the night, so stay tuned for the night drive of this car as well. And yeah, also here sunroof, frequently used. So drive modes are here: intelligent, comfort, sport and eco. And then yeah, once you go here, scroll it down, you change between those, and then you have the system settings as well. The AC, so now you have the special menu here for the AC. You can adjust the temperature. You can also do it here. There we go. This is the key. The storage area, and then the wireless charging pad. hazard lights, and the gear selector for the 7-speed automatic transmission, 7-speed DCT, electronic parking brake. In the middle, quite a lot of room. Speaking about storage areas, you also have it here, and you have huge amount of room when it comes to the storage areas. I believe around 39 areas in total, so that's really impressive. So for example, take a look at this. You have USB-C ports and 12-volt power supply down there, and also when you swipe it like this, you can change between various things. You can also have the dark theme, like dark mode, and then press again and you have light mode. So now let's go to dark mode, and you see here this is the dark mode, and you have 360 camera, which is very good, very useful. The 3D view, and if I put it to reverse, there we go. Drive, and yeah, very cool feature and definitely very useful. Let's go back. Apple CarPlay and Auto Do. So this is the special app, and then you can mirror your phone with it. And then intelligent driving. Car is packed with technology. You have a bunch of driver assist and safety systems, and then you can select how you want them to work in here. So I think that's pretty much it. Not gonna go through all the details again. There will be more in-depth review and also the test drive, so stay tuned for that. Sun visors, there we go. Have the lights here, and also the huge panoramic sunroof. Let us now check out the space at the rear. So visually you can already see we have plenty of room. Let's check out the door panels. A decent amount of room here in the door pocket. And now if I enter, as you can see, plenty of space in here for the knees. Then USB port, the air vents, the storage compartment over there, and also you can see here we have the cup holders. They are not adjustable, but it's nice to see this. Your view at the front, and let me show you how it looks for my head. On 1.87 m, we have this panoramic sunroof and still plenty of space left, so that is a thumb up from me. And the illumination here in the speakers is quite cool. Let me now show you this door handle. So this is the way to open it. Now let's mention the powertrain. So the car has got the 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 174 horsepower paired with the 7-speed automatic transmission. Right guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe for more and see you on the next one. Bye bye.